Hi, I'm Daniel from Kunini Solar EPC. Today we're here looking at one of our factory installs. Not everything we do at Kunini is a solar residential installation. We also do factory and commercial installations too. This is a factory install that we did around 3 years ago, and today our team are here doing operations and maintenance. Let's go and take a look. One of the things we do at Kunini is we offer maintenance contracts, and for solar projects we offer solar O&M. This typically means we come over every 6 months and we wash the panels and we take a look at the system and test everything else as well. As you can see behind me, our team is setting up ready to wash the panels, so let's go and take a look at the system. Okay, so right now you can see just over my right shoulder here, this is the position where we've got all the inverters in this factory. Right here on the right here we've got the AC combiner panel, and this has got all the protection for the 4 inverters here, and this is connected to the main distribution panel in the factory. As we move down here, we've got the 4 inverters behind me, and these are all 40 kilowatts each. And then below the inverters we've got the combiner panels here. This has all got fuse protection inside. Every solar panel has a certain number of panels per string. They come down to the combiner and then they go back up to the inverter, and the inverter has the AC connection which is going back out to the AC panel. As you can see up here, we've got the GrowWatt Smart Energy Manager. This is installed for zero export control because we're not allowed to push back any excess energy into the grid. It's also used to get the whole system online on the cloud or on the app, and it's there to manage basically the solar production against the consumption of the factory. Okay, so here right now we're in the MDB room of the factory, and this is the main distribution panel that you can see behind me. This panel here supplies power for the whole factory, and on the wall behind it is where all the solar inverters are. So the way it works is that the solar inverters are providing solar power first to the factory, and then any additional power that the factory needs, it's bringing it in from the grid, and everything's synchronized. So if it's nice and sunny, you're using all the solar for the factory first, and you're only importing what you actually need to top it all up. Okay, so I hope the video that we did today for you was informative and you got something out of it. If you're looking for your own solar rooftop or maintenance of existing solar rooftop, or even for an electrical installation for a factory, please contact us. We're happy to come out and give you a free survey and give you as much information as you need to make an informative decision. Until the next video, see you then.